having consultative meetings with my supporters and the people of Machakos County, it has become apparent that the Kamba nation is no longer interested in staying in the opposition. It's a high time we as community moved together to the next government after suffering over 10 years in the opposition. There came a time when a community is greater than an individual. And that's why today, in consultation with our Ukambani leadership, led by Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, and our 3 governors and other host of leaders, I want to declare here and now that I have shifted to Azimio La Umoja coalition. This is the place I think the Kamba community will be safe, and that we are inches closer to power, led by our Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, who is in coalition agreement with Mheshimiwa Right Honorable Raila Odinga, hence our President Uhuru Muingi Kenyatta. Azimio La Umoja, inawezekana. Azimio La Umoja, inawezekana. Kenya moja, inawezekana. Kenya moja, inawezekana.